For the 2023 model year, the Ford F-Series Super Duty is all new from the wheels up, better than ever. Today we're talking about this beautiful 2023 Lariat, and there's something a little bit different about this one. For the most part, popular engine choice on the F Super Duty is the 6.7 liter Power Stroke, which is a great choice for towing and hauling, but not always the right choice for everybody. Depending on how you're going to use the truck, a gas alternative might be the way to go. Yeah, there are actually two gas engines available in the Super Duty. This one features the larger 7.3 liter V8, a big, big honking V8 pumping out 430 horsepower and 485 pound-feet of torque. When properly equipped, you can tow close to 15,000 pounds with this powertrain configuration. And the thing with the Power Stroke, generally they're about $8,000 to $10,000 more than a comparable gas-powered version of the F Super Duty like this. So if you're not towing 20 or 30,000 pounds, well, you know, you might not need to pay that extra money for a Power Stroke. It is a fantastic engine, don't get me wrong. And aside from the price difference, you know, diesel engines, especially when they get higher in the miles, they need more expensive maintenance. They're a little bit more intensive to maintain and service versus a simple gas engine. So the maintenance costs over the long term might be a little bit less with this V8 engine versus a Power Stroke diesel. And if you do drive for a short amount of time, like if you only drive for like 10, 20, 30 minutes for the most part, you're not doing long drives, sometimes with diesel engines, they like to be ran for a long time because they have a DEF system. They have this chemical which helps remove the pollutants from the emission control system to make it spew out cleaner tailpipe emissions. But those DEF systems, sometimes they can have issues, or they can have complications if they don't get ran for a certain amount of time. Sometimes they need to be ran for like 45 minutes for them to properly heat up and function properly, or they can get clogged up and you can have service and maintenance issues with the DEF systems. This is a beautiful example of low miles, very nice color combination. Finally appointed with the Lariat trim package. There's that fantastic 7.3 liter V8, 430 horsepower, 485 pound-feet of torque. The interior is almost like a luxury vehicle. You have this lovely perforated leather interior, wood trim, high quality materials throughout, nice leather up steering wheel, completely digital gauge cluster. This one only has 14,216 miles at the time of making this video. Ford partnered with Bang & Olufsen, which makes premium audio systems. Usually you'd find like in BMW and Mercedes. Well, they have a system they call B&O that they put in Ford products. It sounds fantastic. We have telescoping mirrors, great for towing. Blind spot integrated into them. Gigantic infotainment screen. Obviously this one has navigation. We have a parking camera, overhead camera, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel. This is a four-wheel drive model, so you have two-wheel drive high, four-wheel drive high. You can lock the rear differential, and then we have four-wheel drive low range. We have an integrated trailer brake controller, Pro Trailer backup assist. You can also go through the different drive modes, and that'll change the configuration of the vehicle, make changes like the four-wheel drive system, the way the transmission shifts, throttle sensitivity, and sometimes, depending on the drive mode, it might change the way the display looks. So we have Eco, we have Tow Haul, we have Normal, we have Slippery. Notice that it actually put it in four-wheel drive when we put it for slippery conditions. We have Off-Road. It'll put it in four-wheel drive. It'll shut off the traction control system and lock the rear differential. And we can also see that the display has changed to a four-wheel drive setting with a compass, degrees of lean, degrees of angle forward and backward. Storage galore in the F-Series. You know, Ford, they are pickup truck experts. As of 2025, the F-Series has been the best-selling pickup truck in the United States for 48 years. Ford's got the experience, the focus groups, the research. They know what consumers are looking for, be it commercial or personal use, what they want in their heavy-duty and light-duty pickup trucks. You can fold up the rear seats for more storage. We have this collapsible storage area, which creates a storage locker underneath the seats, so stuff isn't going to roll around. Great idea on Ford's part. You have limo-like rear seat accommodations, very spacious, very comfortable. I'm 6'2". I'm so comfortable back here. Lots of space. Heated rear seats. It has a nice side step. It is high up off the ground, so having the side steps makes it a lot easier to get in and out. Of course, we have a 6.75 foot bed. We have an integrated step in the bed. Like I said, I'm 6'2", getting it out of the bed. If I have to carry stuff in and out of the bed, it's not gonna be easy for me to get it out. So having this integrated step really makes a big difference. It is easy to deploy, easy to put away, makes it so much easier getting in and out of the bed. Obviously this thing's gonna be working. I gotta keep you working as well. Well, thank you for joining us in this little walk around video. Lots of air traffic, we're right near an airport. But besides the point, thanks for joining us in this little walk around video. We're Scarff Ford. We've been in business over 100 years, proudly serving the greater Seattle-Tacoma area. Located in Auburn, Washington, we sell new Fords, new Isuzus, and a very wide variety of pre-owned vehicles. If you're watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe. We appreciate you watching. Hope to see you soon. Have a great day.